Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're looking at a replacement AC power adapter specifically designed for the Kinter MA-180 mini USB cardboard audio amplifier. This isn't just any generic power supply. It's a brand new replacement unit engineered with an advanced design tailored for this particular amplifier model. One of the standout features highlighted is its high portability, making it incredibly convenient for users who might move their Kinter MA-180 between different locations, whether it's in a car, boat, or just setting it up indoors. The adapter boasts high power exchange efficiency. What this means in practical terms is that it's designed to control its working temperature effectively, ensuring stable and reliable power delivery to the amplifier. This stability is crucial for maintaining optimal audio performance from the Kinter MA-180. Safety is also a key consideration with this adapter. It comes equipped with built-in over-voltage protection and overheat protection. These features are vital safeguards that help protect both the adapter itself and the connected amplifier from potential electrical issues, providing peace of mind during operation. Furthermore, the adapter holds FCC and CE certifications. These certifications indicate that the product meets specific standards for safety, quality, and electromagnetic compatibility, assuring users that it has undergone testing and complies with relevant regulations. Powering the unit is straightforward. It connects to a standard wall outlet using its 2-pin main power connector. The output connection, specifically for the Kinter MA-180 amplifier, is a mini USB connector, aligning with the amplifier's power input requirements. It's strongly advised that anyone considering this adapter double-check their amplifier model to ensure it is indeed the Kinter MA-180 mini USB cardboard audio amplifier, as this adapter is designed as a direct replacement for that specific unit. Its combination of advanced design, portability, efficient and stable power delivery, and comprehensive safety features like overvoltage and overheat protection, backed by FCC and CE certifications, makes it a reliable power source for keeping the Kinter MA-180 amplifier running smoothly.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.